The seventh day, when her quarantine was going to get over, I tested positive.
That day was a breakdown for me. I kind of had a breakdown.
My temperature shot up to 103. My body started aching. I had cough.
The only question he kept asking me was, when do you think I'm going to get better? How many days? Because when I had COVID, I was off training for almost 3 months because I was really sick. And his only worry was if he was going to be that way as well.
The one good thing that happened was at least twice a day or thrice a day, there was a Zoom call, there was a WhatsApp call from KKR teammates, KKR coaching staff.
I remember Nitish and DK Anna, Nayar Bhai, like all of them kept video calling him every day, feeding him in positivity. Post-COVID, his comeback was way stronger than what he was, because I think before that everyone just had the same kind of training, same momentum.
Like even for a 15-20 minute session, I was having extreme body pain, breathlessness.
For Sandeep, the guilt trip is if he doesn't train for 2 days, he feels like the world is crashing.
That was the phase that troubled me the most. 2 weeks of post-COVID, it was very bad for me. I got a call from NCA saying whether I am fit and available for Sri Lanka series. I was like, yeah, I think I'm fit. So I went in as a net bowler there basically. For the first 40 days from Mumbai till 28th of July, I was a net bowler. 27th, unfortunately, Krunal tested positive, I guess, and we had to isolate the people who were in contact with him. Rahul sir came and told me that I was going to make the debut, and it was an emotional moment because for me, waiting 20 years to get that cap, like the first international cap, is obviously a special thing for everyone.
I've seen Sandeep for the past few years and I've seen him grow, and I know God wouldn't leave hard work go for a fail. That's something that I always believed in, and he believes in it more than anybody else.
I just felt it was amazing. I think for Sandeep it was, you know, your stars aligned, but the hard work you put in and the amount you've given to achieve that, I think Sandeep's done that. Day in and day out, his routines, the way he's worked hard, I think he deserves every bit of however he got what he got. But I think I haven't seen anyone work as hard as Sandeep has in the last couple of years.
When Rahul sir told me, just before the toss, he told me, at that time itself I was emotional, and when it came to giving my cap, he gave a speech which the words he told that will never go from my mind. I know what it means to me, and his words at that time made it sure that like he understood and the team understood what it means to me.
You can see the flood of emotions that he had when he was given the cap, and I think it meant a lot to him.
Even though a lot of times he's not got what he deserves in return for what he's put in, I think he's got the biggest award in donning those Indian colours.
Every athlete in that concern, it's a pride to represent the country and to just wear the Indian flag on you. And I know as a little child, this was something that he always wanted.
He's a very nice kid, very emotional, very warm guy. But most importantly, he wears his heart on his sleeve. Somewhere I think the world conspired to make sure he got that opportunity.
I wanted that cap badly, and I feel that the universe or the God has given it to me for a reason.